Hey guys, so something you're going to notice today as we're going through this video, I will be using a brand new phone, so I don't have any need for the dust sticker or the wet wipe. So you won't see me actually using those, but I do show those for you guys that are going to need to see them, and you can check that out here in just 1 second. So as I peel off the film on this brand new iPhone, I'm going to be getting out this rectangle here, which is your screen protector guide. And this screen protector guide makes it foolproof to put that brand new screen protector on your phone. So after you've done the hard work of cleaning it off and sticking that sticker on there about 1,000 times, you don't end up messing up the guide and then having to peel it right back off and try again. So this makes it a pretty simple, seamless process, and it clicks right on there, as you can see. So you slide out the screen protector. Now pay attention that you slide off the sticker on the back, which covers up the part that goes on the device, very carefully. So as you peel off that film, make sure that you don't get any dust on it as you're getting ready to press it onto the screen. So as I peel this off, you'll see that it sticks right to it, and again, you can't miss with this guide on the phone. Now make sure you press right in the center to get all the air out of it, and if you do have some bubbles left over, you can push those towards the side and kind of force those out, and it's really not that bad of a process. So that's all there really is to it, and you have a brand new screen protector on your brand new phone, and things look great.